Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. As the Tesla Model 3 continues to hit speed bumps on its long road to high-volume production, the company is looking for increasingly innovative solutions to speed up its processes. The latest idea is a hackathon, whose goal will be to address two robot bottlenecks, as per a new Electrek report. In a tweet this weekend, Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk noted that the company is currently holding a hackathon to fix the two worst robot production chokepoints. He added that it looks promising. The hackathon comes at a critical time for the company, as Tesla's lead engineer responsible for overseeing vehicle development recently decided to take a leave of absence. As per the Wall Street Journal, Doug Field, Tesla's senior vice president of engineering, will be taking a break for several weeks. One individual called the departure a 6-week sabbatical, and Tesla has not confirmed when Field will return. Doug is just taking some time off to recharge and spend time with his family, a Tesla spokesman said in a statement. He has not left Tesla. In addition to Field's temporary departure, the Wall Street Journal reported that Matthew Schwal has left the company for Waymo. Prior to his departure, Schwal served as the director of field performance engineering. The departures of Schwal and Field are by no means good news for Tesla, which has been struggling to keep up with demand for its popular Model 3. Not only is this particular vehicle, which we call the most exciting car on the road today, crucial to the company's revenue stream, but it will play a key role in convincing investors that Tesla is capable of appealing to the mass market. The carmaker has faced several delays this year alone, however. Tesla Motors halted the Model 3 production lines at its sprawling Fremont factory for the second time in 2018 back in April, per a BuzzFeed report. The gears ground to a halt shortly after Tesla reported first quarter 2018 production volume for the Model 3, Model S, and Model X. At the end of March, Model 3s had just begun to roll off the line at a 2,000-plus weekly rate. Tesla affirmed in the quarterly statement it still held to its long-promised 5,000 cars per week production goal and declared it would hit the target by the end of the second quarter. The recent line stoppage took place only a few days after CEO Elon Musk took the hit personally for excessive automation. Tesla is too reliant on robots. In other words, humans are underrated, Musk said, implying Tesla planned to increase human involvement in Model 3 production. Tesla employees told BuzzFeed that, with no warning, they were given the choice of using vacation time or taking days off without pay during the production halt. Following a February Model 3 production line pause, which the company described as common in production ramps like this, according to Bloomberg, Model 3 line workers were asked to work longer hours, with extra pay, to make up for the lost time. Tesla was in the news earlier this year fending off concerns about its autopilot partial vehicle autonomy technology, after the car manufacturer attributed blame for a March fatality in a Model X to human error. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, booted Tesla from the accident investigation. Tesla stated at the time it voluntarily gave up party status in the investigation to correct misleading claims that had been made about autopilot. Still, Tesla remains bullish on the future of the Model 3. In a recent production update, the company wrote, "We are already seeing many benefits from heavily increasing automation as part of the Model 3 production process. Through the vast majority of Model 3 production, including in body welding, general assembly, inverter and drive unit production, our automation effort has been very successful. Based on every measurable metric, Model 3 is already the highest quality vehicle we have ever produced, and this is unquestionably due in large part to automation." Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.